We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC 8950. We've been getting a replace drum error, so we're going to show you how to replace your drum and reset the drum counter to get rid of the error off the printer. So it's a pretty simple process. First thing you want to do is make sure the printer's on still, and then we're going to go over and open this front cover. Once we drop down that door, you'll see your toner and your drum. You're going to pull those out together. They come out from one piece. And then you'll see a little green tab on the right side of the drum. You're going to push down on that green tab and lift and remove your toner and separate it from the drum. So now you successfully removed the drum from the printer and separated the toner from the drum. So once you have your new drum, you're going to reinstall your toner. And just slide it in, and you'll feel it kind of click back into place. We're going to slide it back into the machine. You can push firmly until you feel it click all the way into place. And then with the front door still open, you're going to push the asterisk on the numerical pad, and that'll bring up the reset menu. And you'll see the option for drum. Go ahead and click the option for drum. It'll ask you, do you want to replace drum? Go ahead and click yes. And then once you do that, go ahead and close that door. Let the printer reinitialize, and now you've successfully replaced the drum and reset the drum counter in your machine, so you should be good to go.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.